Hi, in this lecture I'm going to explain how to change the elevation material for this building. So I just found this photo in Google, and also I download a material from Google which is modern stone material or texture. So I convert this house into new design which is stone elevation. So as you can see, I just changed the elevation material into stone. It was just like this, and I changed it into this result. So you have to bring a photo from Google or any design that you did, for example your own design, and also download the texture that you like. Then we gonna work on it. So let's start. At the beginning we are going to use pen tool today. uh, by the way, I still didn't explain those three tools because still now we don't need them. So when we need them I will explain them in the next lectures. So today I'm going to use pen tool. The shortcut for it is P. So let's go to pen tool, right click, then select the first one which is pen tool. Now the default setting for pen tool, you're gonna see it just like here. The selecting is here, so we have to select this one. Okay, shape layer, then choose any color that you want. For example, let's pick blue. Okay, then zoom in, then start pen tool. The first point here, by the way, don't keep clicking just like this because this is wrong. So the first point was here, the second point is here. So as you can see, I'm just putting a points for the rounded border. Then go up again. As you can see, this is very smart tool. I use it too much when I want to change a material for elevation, for exterior or interior. So as you can see what I'm doing now, I want to end this shape, but we have a problem here, which is the window. So I'm going to explain later how we can delete the material through lasso tool to show the window. So let's go back to pen tool. I will click here, then here, then go here. And also I'm going to explain how we can erase those trees to show them in erase tool. So as you can see, simply I just highlight the area that I want to change the material in it. So by the way, the opacity of blue color is 33. As you can see from here, I changed it before, so that's why it's keeping 33. So we have now to make it 100, but when we make it 100 we can't see the window right here and also the trees. So I'm going to back to 30 or 28. So let's go back, let's zoom in on the window. Now we are going to lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, the second one, then select the window. Now let's delete it. As you can see, I select the window, sorry. Now when I delete, I can't. Just look, what's the error? Couldn't complete your request because the content of layer is not directly editable. So how can I convert it into directly editable? Just hit E from keyboard for erase tool. Now this icon shown, that you can't do anything. Just hit left click from the mouse. This one will show you this text. This shape layer must be rasterized before processing, and so on. So we're gonna change it from vector mask into rasterize the shape. So now we have to click OK. As you can see, it convert. Now delete. As you can see, I delete the window. Now let's go back to the trees, plants. So we will go to erase tool, E, as I said in the last lecture, or right click here, then the first one. So let's delete the area that we want. By the way, zoom in too much and increase the circle size. How to increase the circle size? By hitting right click from the mouse, then increase it or decrease it. So always I'm using 13 or 10 when I want to zoom in to work perfectly. So as you can see, I finished the first plant. And here we have the last two plants. Now just zoom out. We have no problem right now, as you can see. Now we want to put the material inside this one in perspective way. So let's go to the material that we want. This one, this is the material. So now go to V from, or move tool from the toolbox. Now drag it and drop it inside this S shape that I was working on. As you can see, it's very big, so I will resize it. How to resize it? Control and T from keyboard. Control and T together. Then press Shift and Alt together. Shift and Alt to make it, to resize it on scale. Then move. Control Shift and Alt, then make it smaller. So as you can see here, now I will hit Control from keyboard to control the corners. Now so as you can see, I'm just putting the material. Now this is the material. Now I just put the material, but it covers the house. How can I merge the material inside this blue shape? Okay, now as I said, you have to make the opacity 100%, because if it's less than 100, it's gonna show the background or the original picture of the house. So I will show the material layer, then select the material layer, then hit Alt Control G from keyboard. I'll repeat it, Alt Control G to merge it inside the main house. Now this is our lesson for today, and we have no problem right now. So I'm going to just merge those three layers together to make it looks more realistic with playing with levels, by playing with levels. So I will select this layer, this and this also. Control E for merge, then Control L for levels. So I'm going to select auto, because Photoshop is very smart to make or manipulate the colors for you. As you can see now, auto. I will cancel it just to zoom in to make it more clear for you. Control L, auto. As you can see, this is very nice result. And for now, that's it. So as I said before, I use texture on a house picture. So by using a texture on a house, I convert this house into a new design, or whatever material you would like. Even you can change those. So how can I change those? As I said before, in pen tool here, select this one, shape layer, then select the borders and put a material inside it, but you have to put it prospectively. So I'll delete this layer. Now zoom out. Now thank you for watching my lecture, and I hope you're interesting. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested to learn AutoCAD, Revit, or even 3D Max, this channel is highly recommended for Mr. Firas Noori. Please subscribe to this channel and click on notification to get the latest notification from his tutorials. Bye bye.